Hi, I'm Robert from Move Work Forward. In this video, we are going to cover how to enable and utilize smart commits in Jigit. Enabling smart commits is done from the configuration section of the Jigit plugin config, which can be found in the Managed Apps section from your Jira administration. This can be enabled while creating a new configuration and enabling smart commits, or alternatively, you can edit an existing configuration and enable the smart commits option here. Then you can test the connection if necessary and click save. Okay, now that smart commits are enabled, we are going to go to our project. We have a few tasks here that we will use in testing. The important thing to note when using smart commits to transition status is that the task must be assigned. If it is not assigned, the transition won't take place. So we can see the task is currently in backlog. We have a few options for progressing it, selected for development, in progress, and done. So we will go into our branch and create a commit. And we will commit our changes. The important thing to include is the Jira issue key, in this case TPG-4, and then you want to include the smart commit message, which operates similarly to Bitbucket smart commits. So for this we will use in progress, and we will commit our changes. Okay, now if we go back to our Jigit project and refresh, and we can see the status is now in progress. So it's an easy way to move along your work items and keep on top of development by using smart commits in your commits. This can be done for multiple tasks if you have tasks linked to a certain development phase. So if we go back in, we will create another commit. And this time we will include a few issue keys. And we will say hashtag selected for development. And we will commit those changes. And now if we go back and have a quick refresh, we can see it has now been transitioned to selected for development, along with TPJ5 and TPJ6. So using smart commits, it's an easy way to stay on top of your Jira work items and allows you to task things more efficiently. Thanks.